Alright everyone, another video about the unwrapping. This time with different tool. So let's do, for example, the arms. So, and you'll do a better selecting than me. Alright. And I want to thank one of our students. This is the mesh one of our students in his class. I do that in purpose to show you guys that it's totally possible. It's Brian Bradley. He has a very nice mesh. He's a top student in the class. His mesh is clean. It's obviously the monkey of Donkey Kong. Alright, you can recognize that really quickly, which is a very good sign that the mesh is done well. So you will go into more detail for the selection process, and that I'm doing right now. You make sure it's perfect. Alright, and as you can see, this is kind of a cylindrical shape, the arms, so you could definitely use to go to create UVs and select cylindrical mapping. Okay, you don't change anything, just keep it like that and apply. The only thing you are going to do is that you are going to rotate it in its options. And that's the mesh. Hold on a second, let me go back to the gizmo. Let me undo that just a second. And right here. So the only thing you do is you rotate right here your gizmo to actually follow the same angle. Alright, the same axis basically of what your arms is. Now those little right here, you can use them to close it completely. And if you look in the UV texture editor right here, let's move that. That's the piece right here you just unwrapped. Try to select it better than me, obviously. If you move these like I just did, you see you change the size. By making it like that, it will fit 0 to 1, number 1. And now after that, you can do other things with it. Okay, it is possible to obviously those three. If you grab the big blue one right here, you can move it, and look how your mesh. Oh, let me grab it up right here. Look how your UV changes. So try to get the cleanest UV you can get. Alright, by doing that. And that's pretty much it. Then you scale it down with the rest, and you have your texture, and usually it looks pretty good. Let's do a test. We'll just put a blend on it, and let's see. And let me change the size of it. You know how to do that now. Hyper shade, double click on your shader, double click on the main first node. I showed that many times. Right here, click on enter. And let's look at it. And you can see it's not bad at all. Alright, now we can scale it a little bit the way to regain squares. Alright, and it's pretty good. You guys, no real seam or anything like that that is bothering us. So you do that for the arms and for the legs also. That's how you do the legs, okay? That's very simple. Now the body, I will show you in another video, is different. The same thing with the hand, it's different. Take it easy.